So we have the Lenovo Thinkpad TSeris today, and we're going to be doing a CMOS and RAM replacement on it. First thing you're going to want to do is take out these 5 screws we pointed out here on the back. Now be sure to remove the battery right now because we don't want this thing being plugged in having any power running through it. Now that we've got it unplugged, we're going to go over here and we are going to unclip these 4 clips on the bottom near the touchpad. This will allow us to pull up on the touchpad cover, exposing the RAM slots. Be sure to be careful with this ribbon cable that is connected to the touchpad right here. You don't want any damage to come to this and then have to replace your touchpad on top of that. Now we're going to be pulling outwardly on these little tabs right next to the RAM. That's going to allow us to unslot this. With the RAM removed, now we are going to pull up and towards ourselves with this keyboard. Again, another ribbon cable to be careful about. With the keyboard out of the way, we can now see our CMOS battery exposed, so be sure to be careful when unplugging this. It's just a nice little white connector you can pull out. And from here, we can install our new CMOS battery. Be sure to install this into the slot firmly so that it does not come unplugged, then carefully sliding it into its little pocket. After that, we're ready to put the keyboard back into place, installing it top first and then lightly pushing down. And with that completed, we can install our brand new RAM. You're going to want to put this in the back slot first so that you still have an open space to put it in the first slot, just pushing it in and then pushing firmly down so as that the arms will lock it back in place. And we can now reinstall the touchpad, being sure to press down on the 4 clips near the bottom. We are now ready to reinstall the 5 screws on the back, holding that front panel and keyboard down in place. With that completed, reinstall the battery and we are done. You've just replaced your CMOS battery and upgraded your RAM.